Rejackr review demo and $2,895 bonus. Hey, what's up guys, this is Art from Art of Marketing blog, and this is my Rejackr review. Now right here in this video I'm going to do a full demo for you guys, and essentially what this software does, it allows you to use other people's viral pieces of software, add your affiliate link to it and make money this way, and it also generates traffic. So it's a complete package. Now obviously if you would like to create these viral posts, viral videos, viral articles, you would have to spend months of work in some cases, and the cool thing is that you can just grab any piece of content of the internet and add your affiliate link to it. And if you're using ClickBank offers, obviously you can promote any niche, any offer, and you don't even need to get approved. Okay, so I'm going to do a full demo, a full review. We're gonna go through the sales page, the members area, the funnel, and I have a huge, almost $3,000 worth of bonuses for you guys, and some of it is custom made especially for this promotion. Okay, so let me share my screen and let's jump into this Rejackr review. Now first of all, let me show you the sales page. And as you can see, it says, Rejackr, you're only 7 clicks away. Brand new software gets you free unlimited viral traffic to any offer in 46 seconds or less. Simply click a few buttons, sit back, relax, and watch your traffic sales and sales explode. So, big promises, but I'm going to do a full demo, and you're actually going to see that this is true. So you can actually do this in 46 seconds because, again, you're only adding your affiliate link to something that already exists, and you're making money this way. Okay, so let's scroll down. So 3 steps. These guys got some proof, obviously. Billy, Justin, and Eves, these are the 3 guys behind this product. Again, 3 steps right here, some more proof. You can go through all of this in your own time. I just wanted to hit on some key points. Again, Rejackr, that's the name of this new product. Scrolling down here, these guys will have some bonuses, and obviously you're gonna get my bonuses on top of whatever these guys will be giving away. Some testimonials, these are the bonuses. 30 days money back guarantee, a little sum up, and that's essentially it. Okay, so again, I'm not going to be reading the whole sales page right here. You can go through all of it in your own time. And right now, let me show you the inside of the members area. Okay, this is how it looks like. So obviously you can create campaigns, you can schedule it, you have the automation, and then you can access your links. Okay, so right now let me just go to the campaigns tab and let's create a new campaign just to see, for you to see how easy this is. Okay, so these are the campaigns that are already existing. All we have to do is just click on new campaign. As you can see, we're gonna add a name. So first of all, obviously you're gonna have to go maybe to ClickBank or any other affiliate marketing platform to see what kind of a product you want to promote. Okay, so first I'm gonna go to ClickBank, and not to be in the make money online niche, let's go to health and fitness. And let's see, Cinderella solution. This looks okay, so we can just click on promote. We're gonna generate the link, and as you can see, with ClickBank, all you have to do is just grab your link. You don't have to get approved, which is perfect for newbies. So with ClickBank offers, that's a great upside. You don't have to contact the vendor, you don't have to wait, you don't have to show them any proof. You just click on the promote button, you get your link, and you're done. So going back right here, so this is health and fitness, right? Going back right here, as the offer URL, we will add this link. We're gonna add, this is for our reference right here. So name, exit traffic control, I would click yes, then exit traffic. Obviously you have to add all the details here, and I'm not going to be doing it right now, but again, you're gonna have a full demo on my YouTube channel and on my blog, but I just wanted to go through this as quickly as possible. You can add retargeting, you can add social share buttons. So let's click on yes, then let's click on next, and as you can see, we can add the header text. We can edit all of this. We can add an image. So we're gonna click on next right now. Okay, so let me just add the text. And then redirection, so we can add some text right here, show skip button after, auto redirection, time, font size, and the color, obviously. So let me just add something random here. Then we're gonna click on submit, and we are done. So the campaign is already working now. All we have to do is go to Rejackr links, And as you can see, we have 0 links for now. We're gonna have to click on new link. We're gonna have to create our campaign. So we're gonna use the Cinderella, and as a the redirect URL, we're gonna have to find a piece of content. So let's go ahead to Google. Let's find an article that looks cool. So let's see, 20 weight loss tips that are actually evidence-based. We got our article, so someone else worked on it, someone else had to create it, and we can just use it in our campaign. I'm just gonna save it right here, and that's it. Okay, so that's all you have to do. And right now, if we're gonna click on go to page, as you can see, we're gonna have our Rejackr link, and even before someone will see the actual article, they will see our offer first. Okay, so that's the power of it. Okay, you can start sharing this on social media or anywhere else, and obviously people want to read the article, but as you can see, they're gonna have to watch this redirection for 30 seconds before they get to the article. So this is super powerful. Let me go back right here. So as you can see, obviously here we can duplicate the campaign, we can edit it, but we have our Rejackr link right here. So that's the Rejackr link that you're going to be sharing all over, and then obviously here we have the original URL. Okay. Now, obviously, once you're going to set it up, then you can schedule all of it. You have the RSS automation. You can add all of your accounts right here. So obviously, you can add Facebook, you can add Twitter, you can add LinkedIn, and you can just start sharing this massively on social media and start making some money. And as you can see, I've set it up in around 2 minutes, but I was explaining what I'm doing, so you can actually set all of this up in under a minute, start sharing it, start getting some traffic. And the power behind it is that you are using an already existing piece of content, so you can just grab any viral piece of content that people already love, people are already sharing. You can just add your affiliate link to it, and you're literally forcing people to click on affiliate link, go to see the offer first, and many will actually take you up on the offer. You just have to make sure that the offer and the article will actually be correlated to each other. Okay, so that's super easy. Again, you can do your research in a matter of seconds. So this is how it looks like, and right now let's go through the pricing and all of the upsells. So as you can see, the main product will be $17.95, but this is the early bird price. The price will be going up every 60 minutes, so make sure to show up early if you want to pick it up with an early bird discount. Now, OTO number 1 will be $37, OTO number 2 $47, OTO number 3 $197, OTO number 4 $37, and OTO number 5 $197. And if you want to see exactly what each one is, you can just go to my full written review on my blog. I have all the information right here. So as you can see, again, the Rejackr early bird price is $17.95, and the price will be going up every 60 minutes. Now, Rejackr Automation Edition for $37, that's upsell number 1, and in this upgrade you essentially unlock automation, the automation module, so you can experience autopilot traffic. Okay, that's optional, but you know, we can just unlock it, and it's totally up to you if you want to do it or not, but you'll be fine with the main product alone. So let me just mention that before we're gonna go through the rest. Okay, Rejackr upsell number 2, this is unlimited edition, which this upgrades you to unlimited accounts, and you can make unlimited posts as well. So they say you can make as much as 6-figure a month with Rejackr, so this is definitely something optional as well. Upsell number 3, we got Rejackr Done For You Edition, $197, and in this upgrade you're gonna get done for you traffic and done for you sales. Rejackr upsell number 4, we got Resellers Edition. So for just $39, you can actually start selling this as your own product and keep 100% of the profits to yourself. Now, I'm promoting this as an affiliate and I'm making 50% commissions. If you want 100% commissions, you can pick up OTO number 4, upsell number 4 for $39, really cool price, and you can get 100% commissions on the whole funnel. So pretty amazing. And the last one, we have Rejackr upsell number 5 Luxury Edition, and this is an individual custom funnel setup experience. So these guys actually have a team that will log into your accounts and they will set up everything for you. So hosting, all of the accounts, the funnel, autoresponder integration, squeeze page setup. They will even add follow-up emails, and they will give you additional traffic tutorials. Okay, so this is not a done for you pick, but done for you, where they actually log into your account, so no one else actually does this as far as I'm concerned. Okay, so again, I have a full written review right here on my blog, so you can check it all out. And right now, let me show you all of my bonuses, because I have a huge bonus package. And as you can see, if you would like to pick up Rejackr, it goes live at 11 a.m. Eastern on November 13th. And if you are on my blog, you can just click on one of these blue links to go directly to the sales page. If you're watching on YouTube, just click on the first link in the description to go directly to the sales page. The second link in the description will take you to my blog and the full written review. Okay, so first of all, I actually created 3 custom bonuses especially for this promotion, everything about paid traffic, unlimited traffic, and Google ads. Okay, so this is a really great complement when it comes to generating traffic that you can send to your Rejackr links. Okay, so obviously you can generate social media traffic from within the software, but the more traffic you can generate, the more money you'll make. Okay, so my 3 custom bonuses will explain you exactly how to do it. You're also going to get resellers licenses to 3 of my products, and these are InstaVid, Traffic Trapper, and Traffic Extractor Ultimate. So that bonus alone is worth $500 if you would like to buy it, but I'm giving it away for free. So Buyers List Ninja, that's my Dollars of the Day awarded course, you're gonna get again for free, and it's a perfect complement to Rejackr. You're gonna get Blaze, everything about generating free Facebook traffic. You're gonna get some software solutions as well. You're gonna get push button traffic. You're gonna get auto affiliate machine. You're gonna get viral commission machine. You're gonna get super affiliate class, and from and these are Dollars of the Day awarded courses. So you're gonna get $100 daily. You're gonna get 3-minute commissions. You're gonna get $171 per day. You're gonna get copy profit case study, fastest way to $169, tube commission loophole, great course about generating traffic from YouTube, Flip Me, my top selling flipping course, tube traffic avalanche case study on getting free traffic, and 9 additional pieces of software and plugins. So you're gonna get Affiliate Advantage plugin, Giant Plugin Bids, Sales Page Writing Software, Squeeze Page Creator, TrueText, I Ask Popbox, Sales Bar, and Shortcode Call to Action. Now, that's a total of $1,395, but I'm not done, because you're gonna get my mega bonus on top of it, and my mega bonus is a total of 45 plus Dollars of the Day and Product of the Day awarded courses. Now, my mega bonus alone is worth $1,500, and together with all the bonuses that I just mentioned, this will bring it up to a total of $2,895. And again, you're gonna get all of these bonuses for free, just as a thank you for picking up Rejackr through my link, and these will include these custom bonuses I made especially for it. So again, Rejackr will be going live at 11 a.m. Eastern on November 13th. And just to sum up this review, let me go right here to the sum up portion of my written review, and super quickly, results in under 60 seconds if you already know how to use the software. So obviously not your first time, but maybe your second or third time, you should be able to do this in under 60 seconds. You can use any viral piece of content. So this can be a video, this can be an article, this can be a blog post, this can be anything that you really find online. You can promote any affiliate marketing offer, so it can be ClickBank or any other offer in any other niche. It comes with complete video training. It's all done for you and saves you hours of work, and obviously this is professionally looking, and it boosts conversions. Okay, so guys, again, I have a full written review. Check it all out right here on my blog. If you have any questions, please let me know. And again, Rejackr will be going live on November 13th at 11 a.m. Eastern. If you're watching on YouTube, please give it a like, please leave me a comment if you have any questions, and I'll be seeing you very, very shortly when Rejackr goes live, again, November 13th at 11 a.m. Eastern. Make sure to show up for the early bird and get it from my link to get all of these bonuses that I just mentioned. Ciao, see ya!